Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn on TikTok captions quickly and easily, so you never miss a word in your favorite videos. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and make sure you're using the latest version of TikTok. To do that, open the Play Store app, go to the search bar at the top, type in TikTok, and hit search. Step 2. From the search results, find the TikTok app. If you see an update button, tap on it to update your app to the latest version. If it already says open, then you're good to go. Step 3. Now open the TikTok app and head straight to your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 4. On your profile page, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on it, and then from the list that appears, find the Settings and Privacy option and select it. Step 5. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option. Tap on Accessibility, and here you'll see the Captions feature. Right now, it should be turned off. Simply tap on the toggle to turn Captions on, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Captions on TikTok. To double-check, go back to your TikTok home screen and scroll through some videos. You should start seeing captions appearing automatically if the creator has captions enabled. It's a helpful feature that improves your viewing experience, especially in noisy environments or if you prefer reading along. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.